Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride B1203 Indoor Cycling Bike, the 2025 edition. If you're looking for a reliable home workout machine to crush your fitness goals, this could be your new best friend. Let's break it all down so you can decide if it's worth the investment. First off, what makes the Sulfur Monofluoride B1203 stand out in 2025? This bike boasts a sturdy steel frame that supports up to 265 pounds, making it perfect for most users. The magnetic resistance system offers 40 levels of adjustable intensity, allowing you to simulate everything from a leisurely ride to an intense hill climb. Plus, with the updated digital monitor, you get real-time stats like speed, distance, calories burned, and even pulse tracking if you add a compatible heart rate monitor. Comfort is key here. The bike features a padded, adjustable seat and handlebars, so you can customize it to your height and preferences. The transport wheels make it easy to move around your home, and the non-slip pedals with adjustable straps ensure your feet stay secure during workouts. In terms of assembly, it's straightforward. Expect to spend about 30 minutes putting it together with the included tools. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, it's affordable, especially for the features it packs, and it's super quiet, so you won't disturb the neighbors. The bike's compact design fits well in smaller spaces, and it's built to last with minimal maintenance needed. However, some users might find the seat a bit firm for longer sessions, and it lacks built-in entertainment options like a screen for virtual classes, though you can pair it with apps on your phone. Overall, if you're a beginner or intermediate cyclist aiming for effective home workouts, the Sunny Sulfur Monofluoride B1203 is a solid choice in 2025. It's budget-friendly and delivers great value. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and let me know in the comments if you've tried this bike yourself. Thanks for watching, and ride on.